Hi, my name's Jose. I'm one of the developers here at Century 7, and I want to walk you through the new framework that we've installed for JM Painting. What I want to do is I want to actually take you into the administrative interface and show you how to change some things. As we're looking here on the front page, and you'll notice that I have the WordPress bar up here, which means that I currently am logged into WordPress. If I wasn't logged into WordPress, I'd just come up here and hit /wp-admin, which stands for WordPress-admin, hit enter, and then go there, and then it would take me right into an area where I can log into the administrative interface. So once you're logged in, though, you will always have this bar up here, which will give you quick access to the administrative interface. You'll notice a couple of additions, which is pinpoint options and color customizer. These are part of the framework that we've installed. Some changes you're going to notice. The primary area is a off-gray color, and that's for readability. You'll notice the slider has been changed to the Revolution slider, and there are quite a few differences between the old slider and the Revolution slider. This slider can also slide other objects such as text and you could actually put other objects with shadows and make them look 3D on this, as a matter of fact. And you'll notice it is an individual pauses it with their mouse cursor over that. It stops the transition up here, and once they leave that, the transition over to the next slide begins. You can also set the delay between slides. It's a very elaborate slider system. Down here we have our call to action button, real quick, done in a minimalistic style. Here we have our triptych right here, giving us our About Us, Services, and Portfolios. Here is our Testimonial Slider. This slider does not automatically slide. Just to let you know, we could install the other one, but people find the automatic rotating of information that is made from text. They find that very frustrating and do not care for it. It's a usability thing, just to let you know. They prefer to use this particular interface, and that's why the interface in this default system doesn't even include an option to automatically have that scroll, just to let you know. Down here we have our latest tweets and JM Painting Northwest. You can change the username if we want, but that's as close as we could get, I'm afraid. JM Painting itself was taken. Over here, our latest posts, and these link to blog posts over here. We just put some information from WikiHow in here. You're going to want to, if I were you, I would create a blog post probably once or twice a month just to keep some fresh information, and just, talk about painting is what you would do, Down here, a quick contact us form so people can contact you. And as you'll notice, I'm going to grab this over here, and I'm going to move this, and you're going to notice as I begin to move this now, every ranges based on size, so that I end up with everything in a nice area. Everything's completely configured. I've got a menu that no longer relies on hover states. So what you're seeing is as this changes, and as this gets larger and screen size changes, you're going to see different things. Some things change, some things disappear, and other things change size, other things rearrange. The text flows. All of a sudden, things stop floating next to each other and become centered. And this is all done so that when people are viewing these on other devices, these will automatically adapt to those devices based on certain breakpoints of screen size. So that's the responsive portion of this. So here's a quick link to get into the administrative interface. This little link dashboard, and then just clicking on JM Painting itself, does the exact same thing and takes you to the exact same place, which is the WordPress administrative dashboard right here. So in the next video, what we're going to do is we're actually going to go over how to look at these pages and look at what's known as the Swift Page Builder, and how you can adjust things very, very easily inside this website utilizing the Swift Page Builder.